it's just about time for those spring dresses.
Yeah, so stay tuned and watch us review a few. All right, here we go. Here is our first dress. It's a V-neck, a little bit on the sexy side.
It is. And, well, V-neck and it's a halter.
Yeah, and halter.
So it has a
My favorite part is the halter part. I love showing off my back.
Well, I don't necessarily like that. I just like that. For me, the halter is flattering.
I think it's flattering for everyone because
Yeah.
it kind of, I don't know what it does.
It triangulates.
All right, so let's step back.
Okay.
It's like,
It's a full.
it's right on my knee. What about you?
Just
You're a little
slightly
below
below.
knee?
Just slightly below.
And fitted right through here.
And pockets.
And pockets. I like
Whoa.
that fitted right here is also a style that flatters everyone.
Yeah, it's right at that. It's not
It's
at
like
the
that-
waist,
sort of
but
like
it's
that
at
empire.
the yes,
Empire.
yes,
So
exactly.
here,
Very cute.
back.
I like the color of yours, actually.
Yeah, it's very Hawaiian-ish.
It is. I was very hesitant on this one when I saw it come in, but it has a little hearts, and I like it. I actually like it.
It's a good color on you.
It's very cute.
Yeah. Did you guys notice we have the same tattoo? Show them, show them.
I think it's on this side.
Yes.
Yep. There you
And
go.
we have another friend who has the same tattoo too. Okay, so this is our first one.
Oh, how much was it? Do you remember?
There was only one that was over 30 something,
Okay.
right? And that's the one that we'll show you. That's kind of like a Easter dress maybe.
Mm-hmm.
But this is a cruise dress, just a summer fun dress. You could dress it up with heels. We both
Yeah, you
I
have
kind
heels.
of heels, but I mean even, you know, and I have flats. Basically it's the same shoe.
It is.
But hers is heel and mine's flats. So, yeah.
We like it.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, dress number 2.
Those.
You go first.
I like this.
Yeah.
Okay, so when I first put it on, I couldn't figure it out because I couldn't remember that it had this cross, so I actually had the cross in the back and it just looked stupid and I was griping about it, but
And then I went, wait, I know we have a dress where it crisscrosses in the front. And then I pulled mine out and I'm like, yeah, it's this one.
so yeah, super cute once I got it on right.
Yeah.
But it does take a tiny bit of thought as you're putting it on. Where do I
So
put my
anyway, it's
arms?
got like a little keyhole right here. It's cute. Okay, and the back is just normal.
Yeah, just normal.
It's
back.
got a interesting, it's like
It's a side slit that goes quite a
right,
ways up.
but it doesn't meet at the bottom. Like
No,
it's
it doesn't.
a, what do you call that? Kind of scalloped, I guess.
Yeah, kind of.
And
I like it though.
yeah, and
because
it's made
then
of, it's like t-shirt material. Has pockets.
It's very soft. Yeah, it has pockets.
I
This-
feel like a Hawaiian, and again, I
Yeah.
Hawaiian print.
It's definitely like resort wear, I think.
yeah,
It's cute.
if you're going on a cruise or
And I
just
feel
go
like
hang out.
You could go, I mean, it would be hard to find a bra that fits with this.
Yeah, you
But you could go braless and use the little, what do you even call them?
nipple covers.
Nipple covers.
Or you can wear strapless.
Yeah.
Or everybody, not everybody wants to go braless.
Right. My husband would be happy if I went braless always.
You're so revealing. This girl gives away all the secrets of her marriage. Go watch our menopause video
I'm an open
if you wanna know some interesting facts about them.
Okay, we can't help it. We're just
Anyway.
open. Not open. Okay, let's just cut that out.
This is news to me, people. I've been her friend for over 10 years now. News to me.
Okay.
All right, so that's it for that one.
Yeah, I like it. I think this is
Two
a
thumbs
great,
up.
super cute and sexy.
Yeah, because she's going on a cruise without me. So she can wear it there.
And I need 21 dresses. Okay, what do you think about this, Tina?
This reminds me of the 90s.
Oh yeah, for sure. These
I'm pretty sure I was in
Puffy
a wedding that
sleeves.
had puffy sleeves and this
and the length too.
ruching. Yeah, like right below the knee.
Yeah.
But it's cute. It would be a cute wedding dress.
Or
went to a
Easter.
wedding. Or Easter, yes.
I think this is a really cute go to church Easter dress.
Yes. Probably would wear heels.
It's very. This
has
is
no
another
shoes
one.
on.
No, I forgot to put my shoes on. This is another one that is really, really flattering to anybody. Because it has the elastic bodice.
Right.
And
sort of right under, the empire waist again.
Yes.
And flows out. So hers is a medium?
No, mine's a large.
Oh, you've confused me. Sometimes they're medium, sometimes they're large.
It depends on what it is.
And mine's a small. So
it's not stretchy down
no,
here at all.
this is that.
And that's why I got the large, because if it's not stretchy, I don't know if I can wear it or not. It won't stretch to fit me.
Yeah, and this is just, that plain cotton. Pretty thin, too. It's very light.
Yeah, it's very light.
So it would be very cool if you were going to an outdoor wedding or something.
I'm not real sure that I would like to wear this one. It is cute.
I would wear it if I had a place to go.
You know what? Can you do the sleeves down? Look, it totally changes everything.
Well, does it look okay?
It does on you. I mean, I don't know if it does on. Yeah.
I just got the sleeves don't look like they're in the wrong place.
No, they don't. No,
Cool.
I think it's cute. So a little versatile.
Yeah, actually, I'm looking at yours and I do like it like that. Okay, I would wear it like this.
Yes, I would too. So, what is that saying about us?
Well, honestly, this is very like Little House on the Prairie-ish. It just seems little girlish. Don't you think?
It does. It seems
very little girlish. But if you pull it off the shoulders, it's a little more
slightly
womanly.
Yeah, and it's cute. It is cute, definitely.
Yeah.
So.
All right. Yeah. This is your style. It's a good buy. All right, last but not least, we've gone super cash.
Yeah.
Little cute little jumpsuit, I guess you'd call it.
Yeah, because it has the shorts underneath.
Surprise! You thought it was a dress.
But it's like
they call it shapewear. I don't think it's it's not shapewear.
It's containing nothing of mine.
No, it's just there. It's just to keep you from showing your underwear.
Flashing, yeah. So you can be a little active if you have kids or whatever.
Yeah, because it definitely, has a matching onesie underneath.
Yeah.
Which also, of course, makes it harder to go to the bathroom, but
yes,
whatever.
It does that. So we paired them with shirts underneath because it does go quite low right through here.
Yeah, it does.
So we went ahead and put some shirts. Mine is a higher cut shirt, just so that, because it is low cut here. If you didn't wear anything, you would be showing some cleavage like her.
This is the cleavage girl. So anyway, I'll come up close. So mine, they actually call mine a bra. It's ribbed and it comes down to right here. So it actually can be worn as a shirt if you're wearing like a high-waisted leggings or something like that. But yeah, and it's it's cute.
Yeah, it is cute.
Super comfy.
The only thing is, I felt like, and it's an army green, but I felt like it was more of a, I don't know what I thought.
I like the color, so I don't know.
I don't know,
You don't like it on you?
Right, I think it's a little bland.
Oh, okay.
Like, I mean, it's not, I don't know, but anyway.
Well, if you like army green.
Yeah, if you like army green, which I do, but I don't like this because it has some, I don't know.
What I do like, look, this is the one thing I do like. See how it has like two parts to it?
Yeah.
So it's this, and this is the short set, and then this over. It's kind of like a little design, and then my bra top, or whatever you want to call it, is right there.
Yeah, and I wanted to show you my top as well. So it's, like I said, higher cut, and then it has this cute cutout.
I like the cutout.
So it is really cute. You could wear it like it's a workout shirt. It's actually what it is, a workout shirt. But it's a long line.
Yeah, mine's long line too.
Shirt. It doesn't have the bra in it like yours does.
Mine does have a bra in it. It has the pads, which I ripped out. I hate pads. They only look good the first time. Then they crumple up after that. At least that's my opinion.
That's true.
So I pull them out.
So you could wear this casual with slides like I am.
Or with tennies like me. I would probably always wear it with tennies.
Yeah, I don't know. I am a big slide person.
She likes to slide on it.
Slide in.
Anyway, so that is our spring dresses review.
Yep.
And
we'll have everything linked at the bottom in the description.
And that's it. So stay tuned for next week's video. I mean, don't stay tuned for it, but
No,
come
just
back.
Stay